Rising up, based on the strength accumulated over the past 30 years, we developed deeper and broader insights. We met Zhenbei by the Taihu Lake, and also on the grassland under the vast clear sky. The width of the grassland in western China embodies the dimension of our dream to present high-quality cashmere products. From here, Zhenbei Cashmere starts its journey to explore the quality of cashmere. Zhenbei, standing out as the second-best cashmere brand in China, possesses a complete industrial chain integrating more than 100 processes from cleaning, combining, spinning, weaving to clothing. From the vast grassland to the green planet, we have given a new life to cashmere, benchmarking to the goal of building Zhenbei Cashmere into a classic brand with superior products. We have set up more than 720 exclusive stores in more than 30 provinces and cities in China, with an annual sales of above 1.5 billion RMB. In Zhenbei Cashmere, we pass on the classics in a gentle and soft manner. Living in harmony with nature, Beyondsun Group targets itself to fueling zero carbon emission and green development. As a world-leading clean energy solution provider, Beyondsun Group features a leading vertically integrated industrial chain. Beyondsun Green Energy, Beyondsun Group's wholly owned subsidiary, focuses on the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of high-efficiency solar cells and modules, and is committed to becoming a global leader in smart PV energy product solutions. Beyondsun Green Energy is also dedicated to building a comprehensively leading science and technology innovation system, with its priority given to the innovation-guided development strategy and core driver. Since its inception in 2008, Beyondsun Green Energy has been obtained 168 technology patents. It has 3 industry-leading digital smart manufacturing plants and a technical team consisting of experienced professionals. Its branches can be found in 8 countries worldwide. Up to now, Beyondsun Green Energy has recorded a cell capacity and module capacity of 3 GW and 5 GW respectively. It has provided more than 10 GW of solar PV products to the world accumulatively, jointly creating a brand new energy pattern with consensus and sharing. Sunshine changes life. Guided by the goals of carbon peaking and carbon neutrality, Zhenbei Group shoulders the mission of green development and fuels a low-carbon revolution with new energy industry. It has built Beyondsun Group into a globally competitive new energy enterprise, providing low-carbon and green energy for the whole society. In the field of new energy application, Beyondsun Group is involved in new energy investment and development, general contracting of power engineering, building integrated PV and smart comprehensive energy, with the capacity of providing customers with more professional new energy solutions. It is mainly engaged in distributed PV projects, ground-mounted PV projects, wind power project, electricity sales, operation and maintenance, power engineering, energy storage, building integrated PV, carbon credits management, green electricity trading, and others. With rich experience in the investment and development of commercial power projects, Beyondsun New Energy can make rational use of roof and land resources. It has developed a number of new energy projects with a total capacity of 6 GW and has invested in projects such as aquaculture complementary PV project, agriculture complementary PV project, distributed PV project, and large-scale wind power project, with a total capacity of 1 GW, transmitting the power of sunshine to every corner of the earth. Beyondsun Group, makes the future with innovation spirit. To become good, excellent, and great, all Zhenbei employees with good moral character and integrity in mind have been dedicated to making high-quality products and building Zhenbei into a well-known brand in the past 36 years. The corporation strives to make innovations constantly, lead the trend with the spirit of craftsmanship, and give back to nature with technologies. Standing in a critical point of history and national development, Zhenbei is expected to embrace a promising future with its original intention in mind.